How to fix error CE-10825-1 on the PlayStation 5. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. First, go into the settings. Then you want to go and select System. Here, go into System Software Update and Settings. And here, make sure that you have the latest version of the software for PS5. Now, once you have done this, if it still doesn't work or you get this error, then we will go into Backup and Restore. And here, you make sure you back up all of your data. And after you have backed up your data, we will go into Reset Options, and we are just gonna restore or reset our console. So if you click on Reset Console, all the users and the data will be deleted. So make sure, like I said, that you have backed it up beforehand. And console sharing and offline play will be disabled for all users on this PS5. So reset your console, and this should fix the error. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.